Hello, I would like to present you today the merge statement in the context of SQL Server and Postgres. The merge statement is used to run operations on a target set based on records coming from a source. So this is the target set. This is the source. And in here I have a common area. And in here, let me draw it like this, like this. So in here I have matched records based on a join condition. In here I have records from target which are not matched by source. And in here I have records from the source which are not matched by target. The general syntax is like this. Merge into target using source on join condition and then I have the clauses, the matching clauses. When matched, then I'm doing an action. When not matched, when not matched by target, then something. And in here I have when not matched by source. In the case of Postgres, I have only the first two matching clauses, and for SQL Server I have one more, which is when not matched by source. So in the case of Postgres, I can run operations based on matched records and do things with records from source which do not exist in the target relation, result set relation based on the join condition. So I have in here an operation of insert, because that is the only thing I can do on target with these records. In here I can do an update or delete. In here it's only for SQL Server. I can do update and delete. Let's do a very simple example with this statement in the case of Postgres and SQL Server. So the scripts are exactly the same, no difference. I create two temporary tables in here and in here. Then I insert values in these two temporary tables, exactly the same records. First two from the target relation are not matched by any record from the source. Records 3 and 4 are matched by records in the source relation, and records 5 and 6 do not exist into the target relation, so they are not matched by target. These are not matched by source, these are not matched by target, and these two, because they exist in both result sets, they are matched. This is visible into the merge statement. So merge into target using source. I have the join condition, exactly the same in Postgres. In here, when it is matched, I do an update operation. If it is not matched by target, you see, it's in here. If I have when it is not matched, then I know that I talk about source and the records from the source, and that's it. But in here it's a little bit, even if it is, I mean, if it's clear, but it's a little bit a little bit difficult, or I don't know how to say, because nowhere it is written in here then that this one refers to records from the source which do not exist into the target result set, and in here I talk about a very different set of records, the records from the target that do not have a correspondent into the source. Let's run them to see what we get. May I ran them already just to be sure that they ran. And if I do this, for the records 3 and 4, they are matched, and as value 0, 5 and 6 they have been inserted. In here I have exactly the same thing, except for those records that do not exist in the source. I was able to update them also. Of course, these are not the only options into the merge statement. This is the basis of the basis, to say so. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.